This is the HK P30. This is a electric gun. It is fully auto and semi-automatic. I will show you right now. Here's fully. It is electric blowback, not green gas. Electric uses the 4 little batteries. Here's semi, but I think it does 2-shot right now. Yep, I don't know why it does that. It does 2 shots. Still pretty cool. Pretty cool. Has a little rail system right here. Put a laser or a flashlight if you want. Clip, decent size. Holds about, I think, 20. Haven't checked in a while. Nice iron sights, as you can see right there. The iron sights. Yeah, let's put it on fully. I would be doing a shooting test normally, but don't have any BBs, so sorry. But that's pretty much it. Pretty good gun. For the price, I think my friend paid 30 bucks for it. It broke and I fixed it. Good gun for a starter, probably age 12 or under. Pretty good. But that's pretty much it. I give it 7 out of 10. Could use more FPS. Only goes like 200, I think. But decent gun.